Hello! Oh my goodness, I just got to Sydney and I am so excited. So last time you saw me I was in Perth, I was just at the airport, about to fly. I'm still all hot and sweaty after my kind of epic battle with the luggage situation, just because I've then had to carry my heavy luggage to the Uber and then out the Uber to the hotel. So I feel like I need a shower and a freshen up and sort my face and makeup out. And then I've got dinner with friends this evening. So we're going to the Butler at Potts Point, which will be lovely because I haven't been there before. So I'm really excited. I just wanted kind of a nice balance of going to places that I've been before and love and going to new places. So tonight we're going to a new place and then I'm going to a couple of new brunch places tomorrow and Wednesday, and then tomorrow evening and Wednesday evening I'm going to some kind of old favourites. So yeah, but yes, this is my cute little room. I'm staying at the Mrs. Banks Hotel, so you can check out my room tour, I'll link it below. But yeah, so excited to be back in Sydney. Can't wait to show you guys around and kind of take you to all my old favourite places. This hotel is literally like the next road over from the road that I used to live on. My old road is behind this hotel's, well, across the road and behind that. Yeah, anyway, you get the gist. But yeah, so very excited and I will see you guys shortly. Bye. Doing the Bondi to Bronte walk this morning. Look at this view. It's so nice to be back. Oh my gosh. Nicole, yours is like a doorstop of a cake. Okay, so I just had lunch with Nicole at Totti's in Bondi. I'm now on my way to get my hair done. On my way to get my hair done with my favourite hair colourist in the whole world, Glenn, at Mr. O Hair Woollahra. So yeah, very excited. So yeah, it's up at the moment because it's all greasy because I haven't washed it, because you're not meant to wash your hair before you get it coloured. Oh, I'm knackered. I've already walked 12,000 steps today and it's only like 2 o'clock. So yeah, and it's very warm. Yeah, I just quickly went back to the hotel, got changed, because after my hair appointment I have to go straight into the city for dinner, and then drinks afterwards. So yeah, it's so warm today. Just got my hair done, it feels so good. Oh, I just love it so much. He does such a good job and he's so much cheaper than back home in the UK. But yeah, very happy. Going for dinner now. Yeah. way to get breakfast from the Mayflower. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. So hungry, it's not even funny. And I'm really annoyed at myself because I left my camera in my hotel room. So yes, I've got the whole day out in Sydney today and I left my camera behind. So yeah, but it's like a 20-minute walk back to the hotel to get it. I just can't be bothered. So I'm just going to use my phone and hope for the best. So I've just had my breakfast. I had French toast and it was amazing. And I'm just walking through Hyde Park now. And they finished the memorial. When I was last here, they were still finishing it. They were renovating it for years and years. And they've also installed this like really nice kind of water pond in the front of it, which you can just see there. But I'll take you around and show you from the front. Nice to be back here. I wish you guys could smell it because it smells incredible. It's just such a pretty park. It's not huge, but it's just really nice. I love all the big trees. They look like fig trees in the roots. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, it's just so nice to be back. I'm so happy. I'm just walking up to David Jones because I need to pick up a click and collect order for Kate then in Perth, and then go to the post office and send it to her because there were these shoes that she was desperate for and they only had them in the David Jones in Sydney. So that's what I'm doing now, and then I'm just going to have a little wander around the city and just kind of soak it all up, and then go to the grounds of Alexandria for our late lunch. Look, here are the bin chickens. Okay, so we're just coming up to David Jones now. It's just over there. So we're going to get Caitlin's shoes and then go to the post office. Okay, so I've just sent the parcel, all good. It took like 20 minutes though because the queue was huge. So anyway, I'm just going to go have a little wander down through Pitt Street and then make my way down to grounds. Okay, so slight change of plan. I didn't realise how much time I had, so I'm going to go to the State Library and see if they've got any info on the Dinera for my book, and then yeah, see if they've got anything. I'm in a very old lift. Apparently I have to go to a different building. It's so humid in Sydney today. I'm absolutely so swelteringly hot. Okay. I went down the wrong lift to come back up the stairs and then go along this thing. It's a connecting bridge. And the right lifts. I've just finished at the State Library. It's actually really helpful, so I managed to get a library card for the State Library, and I've got a whole load of, where have they gone? Here now. A whole load of like slips so that when I'm next in town and I've got more time, I can just go straight in, submit my slips, and then get all of the like manuscripts and things that I need for my book. So yeah, I'm currently writing a book. I'm not going to give it any more away. You have to wait for that, but yeah, I needed to go there for that because yeah, I need some like detailed information. And yeah, I think so. Now I'm just having a little sit down in the shade. I've had such a busy day. Anyway, just having a sit down, and then I'm going to get an Uber to the grounds of Alexandria and have a little late lunch. Then head back to the hotel, get changed. Oh, sorry, you're going all over the place. I'm just knackered. I can't hold my arms out properly. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna have a late lunch and then go back to the hotel, get changed, and then meet friends for drinks and dinner. And then I fly early tomorrow morning to LA, and it's a 14-hour flight, and I did not realise it was that long. I thought it was like 10 hours, and I've got an extra 4 hours on the plane, so I hope I sleep. Need to take my melatonin with me, and hopefully that'll help adjust my body clock a bit. But yeah, anyway, see you soon. Bye. Hello. This lighting is absolutely hideous, but anyway, I'm a little bit drunk. I've just got in from drinks and dinner with friends. Oh, I can't believe it's my last night in Sydney. I'm leaving early tomorrow morning. It's just been a whirlwind. It's gone so fast. I don't really know where to start. I also feel like there are like some videos that I took and I gave like no explanation for them. I kept forgetting to do a little like camera thingy to explain, but anyway, yeah, I've just had such a nice time. It's been so nice catching up with people. Yeah, I wish I had more time in Sydney because there are some people that I haven't had time to catch up with, which has made me really sad. But hopefully next time. I should be back next September because I've got a friend's wedding. So yeah, hopefully I'll be here for a little bit longer then. There we go. So tired now, I'm knackered. So yeah, I leave at, well, my flight tomorrow is 11:50 a.m. To Los Angeles, and it's 14 hours. I'm just hoping my luggage is okay. So I weighed my luggage earlier, and I think it's 20 kilos, just over 20 kilos. But I can't figure out, what have I done with the 8 kilos that Virgin Australia said I had added to it? I just don't get it. Like, were their scales wrong? Because I don't think my hand luggage has added 8 kilos. Like, I don't think I've added 8 kilos to my hand luggage. So I don't know. Very confusing. I guess I'll find out tomorrow. But God, I hope it's alright. If they try and charge me, oh, I don't know. Let's see. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. I might have to kind of jiggle my bags around, so I think I'm gonna try and get to the airport really early so that I've got time to sort it out if need be. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go get some sleep now. And yeah, I will see you in the morning for the journey to Los Angeles. Bye bye.